Now, we are going to have a glimpse of the lifestyle of IT people, how happy, joyful, and merry they were. Their entire lifestyle was totally brimmed to the tune of dance with no worries on their face. Joy is the most magnetic force in the universe.
That's not true. चलो ना true.
There was a sudden pitfall in their lifestyle due to the pandemic that hit throughout the globe. Most of them lost their jobs, especially corporate professionals, and thus they were thinking and working of how to overcome from this grief. They decided to fight till they succeeded in life. As Vivekananda quoted, "Arise, awake, stop not till you reach the goal."
ಜೀವವೇ ನೀನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಯೋಚಿಸು, ಸೋಲಿನ ಮುಂದಿದೆ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗೆದ್ದು ತೋರಿಸು. ಜೀವನ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ನಿಲ್ಲದ ಓಟ, ಸೋಲಿಗೆ ಅಂಜಿ ಜರಿಯದಿರು. ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಕಾಲ ಕಲಿಸುವ ಪಾಠ, ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿರು. ದೇವರಾಣೆ ದಾರಿಯುಂಟು, ಮಾತು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ನೊಂದ ಜೀವವೇ ನೀನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಯೋಚಿಸು, ಸೋಲಿನ ಮುಂದಿದೆ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗೆದ್ದು ತೋರಿಸು.
One may not always have a comfortable life and will not always be able to solve all of the world's problems at once, but they never underestimated themselves of how important they were. History has shown them that courage can be contagious and hopes can take on a life of its own. Despite of all the darkness during pandemic times, they were able to get through due to the ray of hope they had within them. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं. तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
They got the brilliant idea of doing organic farming, as our country is based on agriculture. By doing it, they support not only their family but also help each other by joining hands, as per the saying, "United we stand, divided we fall." They were also so happy and energetic as they were able to combat the gloomy phase of their life. The most successful people see adversity not as a stumbling block but as a stepping stone to greatness.
ತೆನೆಗೆ ತೆನೆಯ ಸಿಹಿ ಮುತ್ತು, ಹೊಸ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸುವಾಗ ಬೆವರ ಬೆಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ತೆನೆ ತೂಗಿ ಆಡುವಾಗ ರೈತ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯಂತೆ, ಅವನಾಸ್ತಿ ನೇಗಿಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಕೋ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿ.